Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the Nintendo Switch 2's Joy-Con controllers as a mouse. To do it, first detach the controller you wanna use as a mouse. I think I'm gonna detach both, but I'm just gonna use the right one as a mouse. Now, I'd recommend attaching the hand strap so it works better with it. All you need to do is simply attach it like that, and now flip it like that and start moving it. And you can see it basically works. You can click on this button right here to actually click on things. And that's how you use it as a mouse. You can also scroll using the using this thing. I forgot what it's called. It's the analog stick. Yeah, using the stick you can scroll. You can move the mouse around. That's pretty cool. And that's basically it for this video. Of course, you can also technically use it without the hand strap, although I don't know if I would recommend it, because you can see it's more floppy like that. So if you attach the strap, then it actually stands in place, doesn't flap around. And I hope the video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.